In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Adobe Acrobat's serial number. We'll walk through the exact path inside your Adobe account so you can quickly find the serial tied to your copy of Acrobat. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official Adobe Acrobat site. Take a second to confirm you're on an Adobe domain for security. In the top right corner of the page, look for your profile or account icon. It usually appears as a small avatar or your initials. Click that icon to open your account menu. From that menu, choose Manage Account. This takes you to your Adobe account dashboard in a new tab. If you're asked to sign in, use the same Adobe ID you used when you purchased, redeemed, or registered Acrobat. Being on the correct account is essential because serial numbers are stored per Adobe ID. Inside the dashboard, locate the section labeled Plans and Payment and click it. Even though we're just looking for a serial number, Adobe groups product and entitlement information alongside your plan details, so this is the correct doorway to the information you need. Next, select Products. This page lists the Adobe products registered to your account. For perpetual license versions of Acrobat, you'll see the product name along with its serial number. If your Acrobat access comes from a subscription, you may not see a serial number at all. That's normal. Creative Cloud subscriptions activate through your Adobe ID rather than a serial, so the entry might show your plan without exposing a number. A few quick tips while you're here. If you own multiple Adobe products, use the page search to find Acrobat faster. If you purchase through a company or school, the serial could be owned by that organization instead of your personal account, so check with your admin. If you recently redeemed a code and nothing appears yet, wait a moment and refresh the page. Treat any serial number you find like sensitive information. Don't share it publicly and avoid posting screenshots that reveal it. Keep a secure copy in a password manager or another safe place. And that's the full path. Open the Acrobat site, click your account icon, choose Manage Account, go to Plans and Payment, then Products to view the serial details for Acrobat. Follow these steps and you'll always know where to find your information when you need it.